For reading today, we are in week 4, day 20. So we are finishing our Scholastic Remote Learning at Home unit of 20 days. And starting next week, we will be still doing some Scholastic stories, but it will look a little different. So today, we are focusing on social studies, specifically firefighters. Our fiction story, our made-up story, is Dot the Fire Dog by Lisa DeSimini, and our nonfiction book that teaches us information about firefighters is A Very Busy Firehouse by Elise Sweeney. So when you're done pressing on Take Me There, you can watch a video of firefighters suiting up, and you can do a letter writing activity if you would like, and write a letter to a firefighter. So press Take Me There, and you can watch the story, Dot the Fire Dog, read the book, A Very Busy Firehouse, and do the puzzlers, the word match, fact or fiction, which came first, and then you can dive deeper by exploring the web and meeting the creators. When you're done, it's very important to log into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes. I have been looking at how long some of you have been going on to Imagine Learning. Some of you are doing a great job, and some of you are not logging in at all. Imagine Learning is very good for your learning because it helps you to practice language and reading and writing. So when you're done with Imagine Learning, do your phonics assignment and turn it in. And then, of course, you can practice reading with books at home or Epic Books.